Hi everyone, I'm Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll get notified. Hey, so in today's video we'll see how to do very easy geometric patterns like a 3D design कैसे बनाते हैं. So let's get started. So just a reminder, the giveaway is still on. 24th is the last day. Next video में I'll be announcing the winner. Now let's get started. तो मैंने यहाँ पे एक graph paper लिया है. It has the grid lines and you need a pencil and a fine line pen. That's it, and probably a scale as well. So for the first drawing, we are going to do a 3D shaped staircases. So यहाँ पे on my graph paper, I have done 6 boxes, that is 6 rows vertical and horizontal columns में I've taken 14 boxes, and then in this manner you can follow along. बहुत ही easy है ये वाला, you can just do it along with me. And once you have completed, ये थोड़ा सा pencil shadow effect आप दे सकते हैं so that वो उभर के आ जाए. So this is how your 3D stairs are done. So for our second design, I am going to do 3D boxes. ये भी बहुत simple है. You can just follow along. Now the third one is a little tricky, so I'm going to go a little slow. And मैंने यहाँ पे एक box बनाया है, taking two boxes each. Now leaving 5 boxes downwards, that is on the 6th line, मैं यहाँ पे दूसरा box बनाऊंगी towards the right and 2 from upwards, that is 2 columns I'll leave, and then again मैं एक slanting सा box बना रही हूँ. If you're confused, you can pause and see what I'm doing. Now the next step is again towards the right. From the upper box, I'm going to leave 6 boxes, and नीचे की box से I'm going to leave 5 boxes, and on the right side from the upper box मैं एक slanting line बना रही हूँ, वो point. So you can pause the video and see मैंने measurements दिया है. Now इसके आगे it's very simple. You can follow along with my video. Now after you're done this, ये point से आप 4 boxes towards the left छोड़ दीजिए, and I've put a point with the pencil so that I have to join towards the left. You leave 4 boxes and then you join like this. So this one is a little tricky, but एक बार you complete the entire design, it looks very fabulous. So I hope you all try out this and all the other designs as well, and let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and share it with your family and friends. So thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway. Next video mein I am going to announce the winner, the lucky winner. And thank you so much once again. Have a safe weekend and I'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.